ABC News exclusive new questions for the White House this morning about whether it knew the truth about the Benghazi terror attack. ABC's senior White House correspondent Jonathan Karl has been working the story overnight, joins us now from the White House. Good morning to you, John.
Good morning, Josh. As you know, when this attack happened, the White House initially said it arose out of a spontaneous protest over an anti-Muslim video. That turned out not to be true, and the White House said they relied entirely on CIA talking points. But I have obtained 12 different versions of those talking points that shows that they were dramatically edited by the administration. Take a look at two of them. On the left, a draft initially written by the CIA. On the right, one that was used by the White House, the final version. What was taken out? All references to Al-Qaeda and all references to CIA warnings before the attack about the terror threat in Benghazi.
So then, John, again, if this gains traction now, as they seem to be direct contradictions, how bad could this be for the State Department and its former head, Hillary Clinton?
Well, that remains to be seen. But, Josh, I have had emails read to me that show that many of these changes were directed by Hillary Clinton's spokesperson at the State Department, Victoria Nuland. In one email, she said that information about CIA warnings, quote, could be abused by members of Congress to beat up the State Department for not paying attention to warnings. So why would we want to feed that? After that email, all of those references were deleted. Now, the White House is saying that there is nothing inappropriate about the State Department giving input into this, and that ultimately the CIA drafted these talking points and approved them. But I'll tell you, Josh, they initially said only one word had been changed.